Meaning of governance.
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 Governance. Governance refers to the process of decision-making and the implementation of policies by individuals or groups in authority. It encompasses the management and regulation of social, economic, political and other activities that affect the well-being of a community. Good governance ensures transparency, accountability, participation, and responsiveness to the needs of stakeholders. This includes balancing competing interests and allocating resources fairly. Effective governance is essential for sustainable development and creating an environment that promotes human rights, justice, and equality. Overall, governance is a key factor in shaping the social, economic, and environmental outcomes of societies.